Hey there, savvy shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for managing your finances in 2025. Today's video is all about how to remove your card from Afterpay. If you're using Afterpay for your buy now pay later needs, you might want to remove a card for security reasons, to update your payment info, or just to declutter your account. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Afterpay account. If you don't have the app, download it from your phone's app store or head to the Afterpay website on your computer. Once you're in, navigate to the Settings or Account section. Look for an icon that looks like a gear or your profile picture. In 2025, Afterpay has made this even easier with enhanced security features, so you might see a quick biometric scan, like fingerprint or Face ID, to verify it's you. Next, find the Payment Methods tab. This is usually under Settings, and it'll list all your saved cards. Select the card you want to remove, tap or click on it to view details. Now, hit the Remove or Delete button. Afterpay will probably ask for confirmation to prevent accidental removals, so double-check and confirm. If you have any active orders or payments linked to that card, you might need to settle them first, as Afterpay won't let you remove it until everything's clear. Once that's done, your card is removed. It takes effect immediately, so you can breathe easy knowing your info is secure. Pro tip: always keep an eye on your account for any unauthorized changes, and consider using virtual cards for extra protection in 2025's digital world. That's it for today's guide. Removing your card from Afterpay is quick and helps you stay in control. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.